Hey everyone, I'm Kima. Welcome back to my channel. My channel focuses on classy, elevated fashion and lifestyle for the everyday woman who either wants to maintain that lifestyle or merge into that. So if that's you, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I bought 2 new handbags and I was gifted one, and I figured I'd just make a complete video just kind of like going over the bags. Now, I don't know if you guys have heard about Songmont. They are kind of like on a popular-ish rise with the bags, but very, very affordable and super classy. And I was served their ads so much on Pinterest that I was like, okay, I'm giving in. And the one that caught my attention first was I think this is called the Song Bag. I ordered the bags. They came in the box. I haven't even pulled the bags out yet. And I've been sitting on them for at least 3 weeks. So this is the Song Bag, and I ordered it in a size small, and that was the bag that drew me to them. And the reason it did is because it reminds me of the Hermes pickle tin vibe, and I thought how cute and gorgeous. I just love how elevated, simple, and just gorgeous it is. So I was like, okay, I would love to get like a nice cream, easy to wear, casual feel bag that I can still dress up in a very polished way. And I just kept seeing it and I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it. So this is the Song Bag, and this is the size small. This is the smallest size I do believe they have. I'm not sure if they have a mini. It has really small logo detailing Songmont. I do believe the brand is Japanese, and I believe the girl that started it used to work for Google or something of the sort, and she just got into the vibe of creating bags. Her mom was a seamstress, and her story is something about traveling with a laptop in a bag across town to do, like, you know, transatlantic Zooms or whatever, because Google is, you know, an American company, I think. But she now has Songmont, and that's just a little backstory. I'll link a little bit more of what I was reading up on her real quick in the description. But I thought this was gonna be such a cute bag to have. I hope this one has straps inside. It seemed very multifunctional. It reminds me of my Hermes pickle tin. I have a size, yes, it has straps. I have a size 18 and a size 22, and I just love the classiness, the gorgeousness. And when I went on their website, I was like, oh my gosh, these are really affordable, you know, for leather. And I just love that it's not heavily branded. I need to cut this off because yes, I can already tell that I'm satisfied with the bag, so I won't be returning it. So I can definitely cut that tag off. So it comes with a strap. I love multifunctional bags that I can carry multiple ways. Crossbody, if I can have 95% of my bags being able to go crossbody, I'm living. So it comes with a strap, and you can carry it just like this as is, or you can add the straps to the side of it and wear it as a crossbody. I think that's so beautiful. The color is so pretty. This one I do believe comes in probably 8 other colors or more, but this was the color that I really wanted. Oh, actually this is the mini. It's not a small. So they have a mini, they have a small, and it looks like they have a large. And there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 colors available in this bag. Gorgeous. And the price on this is $239. And for it to be leather, it says it is full grain leather, not calf grain. I apologize. Full grain leather. Then I think that's just so gorgeous and beautiful. I love the slight little detailing of the logo with a little bit of gold embossed in there. It has legs, which I absolutely love, especially a color like this. And the top pops open in a nice little flap, but it's the button or the magnet is the same fabric as the bag, and it clasps in beautifully. It is so gorgeous. I absolutely love this bag. I'm actually gonna cut the tag off and wear it today. It goes well with my outfit, like butter, yellow, and cream. I think that's cute. Okay, so the next one that I bought is the Luna Bag. Yeah, so this one is the Luna Bag, And this one I thought was also pretty unique because it can be worn 3 different ways. And I was like, value for my money, getting the bang for my buck, and I'm here for it. This one is black. I got it in a black color because I wanted something small that I could like dress up for events. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. So it has 2 sets of straps. One, the long strap, you can absolutely go crossbody with it. So it comes with a crossbody strap. Let me see, there's a unique way how to set this up. First of all, let's talk about this little strap here. I believe you just clip it in, so it's almost like a moon shape. This wouldn't be a bag, like a shape or style that I would usually go for if this was just the way it was gonna be worn. I'm born like that. I don't do much of like trendy type bags. So you literally can just snap the strap on. It has a little groove here, and you just pop it into the groove on the bag, both sides, and the strap just goes on like that. Really gorgeous and beautiful. Love, love that. Now, the other way that you can wear it is, of course, a crossbody vibe. So you can definitely go crossbody with it. And there's another way to wear this bag is no strap at all, but these 2 pieces go into the groove, and it creates just a little tiny, almost like a little clutch. So you can go absolutely like this. So it's like a little evening bag. You know, this is something like you can even be dressed up elegantly, gorgeous and beautiful, and have this bag with your dress, with a nice gown. So this is number 1. Actually, there's 4 ways. I saw another way where you could definitely double this strap, snap it in. I love value for my money and a bang for the buck. And you could wear it this way too. So easily you could put it on your arm, style it. You can absolutely keep the strap like this on there too. You can push it through your hand here, style it this way. So that's 1, 2, this on it by itself 3, and a crossbody 4. This is amazing. It's so gorgeous. I might get a second one, and I might get a bigger one just because, no, I probably shouldn't. But I think it's so gorgeous and beautiful. I absolutely love the bag. It smells great like leather. And inside, let's talk about inside. Let's see what it can hold. It looks like it can hold quite a few things. It can definitely hold my cell phone. It can hold my wallet, my small makeup bag, my car keys, a lipstick. Well, my makeup bag will have my lipstick, maybe hand sanitizer. It could hold a good amount of stuff. Definitely can. However, I think if it's gonna go like this, then it might not hold that much, but the other 2 ways to wear it, I think it could definitely hold a lot. So love this bag. For the Luna bag, the small Luna bag, I think it can hold the same. My phone, which is a 15 Pro Max. Is it 15 we're at? 15 Pro Max. It could hold my wallet. It could also hold my little makeup bag. It can hold hand sanitizer, any other little tidbits I need to drop in there. It can hold quite a lot. So love these 2 bags from Songmont. I'm linking them in the description down below if you guys love them. For both bags, because they're both minis, I think I paid under $600 for both bags with taxes, and that's with California taxes. The next bag that I got is from Paris 64. Okay, so this is a Spanish bag. They actually reached out to me on Instagram and told me that they wanted to give to me a bag, and they made me select from 2 choices. And they sent a nice little note. Hope you love your new mini Lumière chocolate bag. Handmade in Spain with leather and love. Can't wait to see you with your look on Instagram, Paris World. So let's unbox it. So this is the mini Lumière bag, and I got it in a brown leather. I was going back and forth, should I get it in black, but then I remember I purchased my Songmont bag. So it's 100% Spanish. So it's Spanish brand. Smells, oh my gosh, it smells like leather. Minimal branding, love that. and it is so dainty. It is so classy. I love these bags. They're very classy. Again, crossbody option. Crossbody options and on bags is like pockets on dresses, okay? Ooh, how pretty is the inside? It is so cute. And it says Paris 64 made in Spain. I absolutely love it. Gold details. It has a little bit of like raffia, and I thought when they reached out to me, I was like, you know, summer's coming up. It would be nice to have like little raffia details on a bag. I don't have a lot of raffia bags, not that you need a lot, but I thought it would be nice to select that one. So I love it. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Can be worn this way, can be worn this way, and we definitely have a crossbody option. Really gorgeous and beautiful bag. I think it could hold a lot, like the same amount the other two bags can hold. This can hold, and maybe a little bit more than the norm. So love, love, love. All right, so that's it, my unboxing. Let me know which one of these bags you think you prefer the most. I'll be styling them up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love wearing my bags, styling my bags, so you'll see them throughout my channel. And I'm linking all the bags in the description down below. Let me know which one you like the most, or if you have any of these bags, or if they're new to you brand. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.